Okay, on this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually move your domain name to your hosting account. By now, you already have a domain name from the last video. Okay, so what you want to do is that you want to go to Hostgator, and so you click on the link in your email or on the link that I sent you, and you want to click here and get your own hosting account. So you click here, and then it brings you to the different hosting accounts. Now what you want to get is you want to get the baby plan. Okay, so you click order now, and then you want to enter into, so you don't, here you say choose a domain, but you already have a domain name. So I currently have a domain name, and so you are using your existing domain account. So for example, let me put in a domain name. Let me choose any domain name. For example, let me go to my GoDaddy and choose one of my domain names here just for demonstration purposes. Okay, so I choose a domain name. I already have a domain name, so I type in the domain name, and then I go to step 2. Now here again it says it's going to cost you $7.96 per month, and this is because there's a coupon. So here you want to go in and create a username and password and fill out all the financial information. After you do all those things, and you create an account. Now after you create an account, what you're gonna do is that you'll be sent a welcome email, and that welcome email is very, very, very important. Okay, make sure you keep that welcome email because you're gonna need it to install your WordPress blog and your other capture pages, and anything that you own on the internet, you want to install that, okay, on your hosting account. Now somebody's gonna ask me, can't I just use the same hosting account with GoDaddy, and with GoDaddy get my domain name there and host it there? The answer is no, because GoDaddy does not have a cPanel, and as you start building a blog and installing WordPress blogs, you're going to need a cPanel to download and to install and to upload a lot of files, which GoDaddy doesn't have. So if you start using GoDaddy and you want to start building a blog, it's going to be a pain because you have to transfer everything to Hostgator. So just get it done once. Okay, so after you're done, we want to transfer the domain name you bought. So we're using this domain name, for example, this particular domain name that I bought. So what you want to do, you want to click on that domain name, and it will bring you to a page like this where it says name server. Okay, so what you want to do is to click on the name server. So you click on that. Actually, you want to click on set name server, so you click on that. Now when you come here, here it's saying I want to forward my domain name. No, you don't want to forward your domain name, but you want to say I have specific name servers for my domain, so you want to put the arrow in there, and that brings you to this place where you want to change the domain name on this side. You want to change it. Okay, so what the stuff here, the name server 1, okay, the name server 1 is here. So what you want to do is that the email that you receive from GoDaddy, you want to go there and copy name server 1 and copy it, and you come here to GoDaddy, you delete what they have here and paste that in there. Paste everything in there, and then name server 2, you copy it again, the same name server 2, you come here, you delete this, and then you paste in there. And after you've done that, you just said okay, and then you were done. Usually they tell you you're going to take like 48 hours for it to change, but from experience this usually takes about 2 to 3 hours, or 1 to 2 hours. Everything is done. So once that is done, yes, you are done. That means that your new domain name is now being hosted on Hostgator, and now you can begin to upload a WordPress blog period. Now as we talk about this on the previous video, you bought a domain name and you forwarded your you forwarded your company's replicate page or URL to that domain name. So what I will advise you to do is get a separate domain name for your blog. So the process that we just went through, you just get a new domain name with GoDaddy again, and use that separately for your blog. And again, remember, we talked about this yesterday, that make sure that whatever blog theme or whatever you're going to write about, make sure the name is in the domain name. That's going to help with your search engine optimization. Now when you log into your Hostgator account, they'll give you a password and username. This is how it's going to look like. And on the next video, we're going to learn how to install WordPress blogs, and you'll be logging into your Hostgator cPanel or the control panel. So that is it for now. I hope now you'll be able to transfer your domain name to your cPanel. God bless, and I'll see you in the next video.